You know, I love America so much, it bothers me to see.
That's okay.
Hello, Beth. I'm back again.
Well, good.
Again, I have to thank you for the
Good morning.
the Constitution.
Sure.
Hello there.
Notice my sign.
I noticed your son. Hi. How are you guys? Good. Hello. How are you?
How you doing? Oh.
Have you read the bill?
Okay.
Have you read any part of the
pass it along.
health care bill yet?
Thank you for calling.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
What do you think?
I'm not going to tell you. It's not my position to tell you.
Oh, okay, so that's what I was asking. What do you think of it? Just as not speaking for Representative Davis, but
I'm
just
not going to give you my opinion.
you're not. Okay. Well, anyway, I have my pink slip certified.
Okay.
So
You want to? Are you going to leave it with me?
yes,
or-
ma'am.
Okay.
If
You tell him that if he doesn't vote for the people, which is no, we ain't gonna vote for him again. You can rest
Oh,
assured.
I think that's obvious.
this isn't even my sign, but this says what I want to say.
Thomas Jefferson said, each generation in our country will be responsible for our own debt. The bottom line to this is that it is not affordable. We are going to put this cost to our children, to our grandchildren, and my children cannot even vote yet. And we are going to put this $2 trillion. $2 trillion. You cannot even comprehend how much $2 trillion is. To have something ramrodded through in a short period of time by an out-of-control Congress.
And I'm sure as they start debate, I'm sure you'll hear, hear people expressing that opinion.
Well, we just hope there is a debate and they don't do some
I would
shenanigans.
think there. I would.
Saturday she's going to push a vote.
Has Lincoln seen the proposed bill?
He has. He has. He tries to read everything that he gets.
And I called Mr. Lincoln this morning and he hadn't even read the bill yet.
First of the week, he was in the process of reading it. I don't know how long he had it, to read it, but he was reading the bill.
Is he going to be able to digest it in a week's period of time?
How do you comprehend 2,000 pages in 2 or 3 days?
I think so. He's pretty sharp. I think he can. I believe he can.
If somebody comes up with a pile of papers 2,000 pages,
And it's not all about health. It's not all about health.
automatically I'd vote no. No, it's about power.
This is nothing about
Americans are not stupid.
That's right.
That's
You gotta
right.
understand that.
Far
We
from
are
it.
not stupid.
And we read the bill already.
Well, and this lady is from France.
Oh,
Yep.
really?
And she,
wow.
she has seen it. She lived through.
How long have you been here?
42 years.
42 years.
And I'm an American citizen
Good.
and involved since 1972.
I figured you were from France or
Well,
somewhere in Europe.
Forget about the accent, listen what I
That's
say. You know what we have to do with Washington? I'm going to tell you. Clean the whole slate.
Yep.
Both sides.
Yep.
And
Everybody.
put new people that have a heart.
But every day.
Real Americans.
Every day.
This is
Give
what we
everybody
do.
a
And I heard this saying is if you have a light bulb burn out, you don't rewire the whole house.
Right.
Well, people are educated, dumber they are, in my book.
If this is such a great bill, we would feel so much better if our elected officials wanted it to.
This bill says that anybody like a cancer patient, for instance, they lose their health care. They cannot get covered for 6 months. The doctor said that within that 6-month period, these people will die from the cancer. But Obama's bill states that they cannot be covered.
I'm not ready to die. Are you, sir? No. You're not ready to die. Are you?
I hope I am.
Okay. No.
Mr. Davis did promise to us that if it had any abortion
Right, correct.
in there, that
You
he
know
would not
public office.
vote for it. So we're counting on him because it does have abortion in there.
Just remind him of his promise. He
You
promised us
know,
he
you
would
want
not
to go
vote yes
so far
if
with
it
it.
had any abortion.
Right.
And this bill does
Some
have
people like it,
abortion
they push
funding
their
in
issue.
it.
I think like the one lady mentioned, if he had said if it had anything in there that allows funding for abortions, that he would not support that or benefits to illegal immigrants. So,
Also said, if you got what you like, you can keep it.
Yeah.
You don't have to do anything.
That was a promise.
But we're going to take away the plan that you like, that you're on. We've been forced to pay into Medicare all our working careers, but I'm not sure how it can work other than magic
right.
to say, you can keep what you got, but we're going to take $400 billion out of Medicare.
And I believe that this bill is highly unconstitutional. This is taking away our freedom. Where are the people that are supposed to be representing us up in Washington speaking up against this man, this violating the Constitution? Are you getting more for the bill or not for the bill?
It varies from day to day. Today it's more against, some days it's more for. It just depends on what organization. Sometimes we have some organizations calling, on different days, so sometimes we get more yeses than nos. It just varies. So, what has everybody sent in their opinion either by email or
How many times a day?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Beth.
Thanks for exercising your right.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good day.
You too.